Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am actually going to be rooting a blonde wig. So this is a custom wig that I made with a blonde cap, and it's a 5x5 lace closure wig. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is protect the knots on whatever lace that you're going to be using to root your wig with. So first thing I do is get my Got To Be Glued, and I will just spread it all over the lace area. Now for this step, you can definitely use one layer of the Got To Be Glued gel, or you can use several layers of the Got To Be Glued spray. So I'm just going to spread that all over the lace, and I'm going to let that dry. You can definitely let it air dry or blow dry it to make the process go a little bit faster. Just make sure the glue is all the way through to protect the knots of the wig, and then you can proceed to coloring. So once that's complete, I'm going to use my 6BC from Wella Color Charm, and I'm going to also use a bowl and a brush, of course, and the 20 volume developer from Wella Color Charm as well, because we're only depositing color, we're not lifting anything. So first things first, section off everything that you're going to be coloring and go ahead and start rooting it. You can always do a short amount of rooting, or you can do a larger amount. It's really up to you and your preference. Because it's only a lace closure wig, I don't have to root the entire wig. So I'm just gonna go through and do about an inch. I think I do about an inch through the entire lace closure, and I also do the sides where the hairline would actually be. So as I'm going through this wig, I'm only doing about an inch, but I also only tap just lightly enough to get the hair colored. I don't want to press all the way through the lace because it is still only Got To Be Glued, and I don't want to take the chance of my roots, my knots on the roots being too dark to where I would have to go back and bleach it again. So definitely be careful. Lay the hair on top of each other lightly when you're flipping it over, not pressing down too hard, but just enough to get the color on there. So like I said, I'm definitely going to go ahead and do the side hairline just to make it look as natural as possible. Even if the wind blows or anything like that, you won't just see all blonde on the sides. I definitely want to blend it down through to where your hairline and your ears would be as well. Alright, so once that is rinsed out completely, I do put a little purple shampoo on the blonde part of the hair, and then I just shampoo it as normal and condition it. Right now I'm just spraying some leave-in conditioner on it. This is the natural texture of the hair, which is a natural wave. And I'm going to go ahead and style this wig as well. Blow dry it out and style it. Okay, so I thank you guys so much for watching. If you like what you see, please subscribe to my channel, and the link to my website is below.